welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you a very late beauty box, but better late than never. This is my Allure Beauty Box, and believe it or not, it was from March. But I still want to share it with you. So again, Allure Beauty Box. You can actually subscribe to it here, which is allure.com, the beauty box. By the way, the subscription is $15.90. That's including tax, depending on where you are. I'm in Florida, so it's 90 cents tax. It's $15, and I think it's 90 cents tax. And so the booklet that comes with it this month, these are your Best of Beauty Allure Beauty Expert Award winners. So this is the booklet that tells you all the items that are in the box, the cost, the price. So the price that it tells you are for the full sizes. I just have the deluxe travel sizes. Okay, so the first thing I see is an Oribe Freestyler Working Hairspray. And this is a 1 fluid ounce. And that retails for, the full size retails for $42. And you can purchase it on oribe.com, ORIBE.com. And next, let me just go in the order that's in the book. So the next one is, okay, there we go. This is Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask for all skin types. A cute little box. And this is a 0.3 fluid ounce. Oh, how cute and darling is this? And let's see what it smells like. Smells like a little medicine-y. And that retails for $25, and you can purchase that at Laneige.com, LANEIGE.com. And then next we have a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream. This is in C211. Let me show you the box before I rip it open like a savage. What a cute little bullet. Okay, so it looks, oh. And that is color. Is that nice? And that is $22 for the full size. And you can purchase that at Sephora, and if you enter the code Allure2018 at checkout, you'll get free shipping. And next is La Roche-Posay. This is their Sunscreen Broad-Spectrum Spf 60. And this retails for $19 for the full size, and you can purchase this at larocheposay.us. And then we have a Makeup Forever Ultra HG Foundation. They sent me Y505. This seems a bit neutral and dark for me, but There we go. This is a nice traveling size too, and it has a pump. That is lovely. And this retails for $43 for the 1 ounce, not this one. For $43, and you can purchase that at Sephora.com, and the promo code is Allure2018 for free shipping at checkout. Next, we have Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads with minerals and plant extract. And this holds 30 pads. Wow. No artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. That's really good. This will be great when I travel. And lastly, you have an Aiko Eyedue Liquid Eyeliner, waterproof, lash enhancing, and this is in carbon black, in 0.04 ounce. Oh, I'm sorry, let me tell you the price on that full-size Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Pads. That's $6.99, and you can purchase them at Target. And then here is the Aiko eyeliner, and this retails for $22 at Aiko, EYEKO.com. And there's actually something else in the booklet that's not in my bag, and that's the Simple Eye Cream. But anyway, let's see. This is the tip. That is nice and black. And that is it for my Allure Best of Beauty Award winners. That's my Allure Beauty Box for the month, sadly, the month of March. But that's, life happens. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. You will not miss any of my posts. And be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.